Hello everyone. Today we'll start polynomial in one short revision. This is for half yearly, for your half yearly exam, okay, which is coming soon. And if you if you'll do this PDF, then there is no need to revise any book. कोई भी बुक आपको करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, चाहे वो आर डी शर्मा हो, आर एस अग्रवाल हो, NCERT हो, कुछ भी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो लेट्स डू थोड़ा सा कॉन्सेप्ट समझ लेते हैं कि इन पॉलिनोमियल वी डू ओनली द क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी इक्वल टू ज़ीरो. सो इट्स टू ज़ीरोज़ अल्फ़ा एंड बीटा. देयर वेरिफिकेशन में सम ऑफ ज़ीरोज़ is equals to alpha plus beta, which is minus b upon a, and product of zeros is equals to alpha into beta, which is c upon a. For polynomial, uh, quadratic polynomial, that we need to k x square minus sum of zeros and plus product of zeros. Okay, now इतना ही है, बाकी कुछ जो भी होगा आपके क्वेश्चन में होगा. So let's start the question. If one zero of the polynomial, this is reciprocal of other. One zero is reciprocal of other means alpha is equals to 1 upon beta, and px is given, which is 5x square plus 13x and plus k, and alpha is equals to 1 upon beta, which means that alpha into beta is equals to 1, and alpha into beta is c by a is equals to 1. So c by a is k over 5 is equals to 1, therefore k is equals to 5. Next question. Alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial. So here px is equals to x square minus px minus 1 minus c. Okay, so we can say that this is also be written as x square minus px minus 1 plus c equal to 0. Now such that alpha plus 1 into beta plus 1 is equals to 0. Okay, so इनको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, then alpha beta plus beta plus 1 is equals to 0. So from here we will see alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a, which is p, and alpha into beta is c by a, which is minus 1 plus c upon 1. Okay, so alpha into beta is minus 1 plus c plus alpha plus beta is p plus 1, and this equal to 0. So minus 1 minus c plus p plus 1 equal to 0. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel, so p is equals to c. हमें c का वैल्यू p आ गया. Next question. If one zero of the quadratic polynomial is 2, it means that zeros means x equals to 2. Now what is the quadratic polynomial? That is x square plus 3x plus k. Now put the value is 2, so 2 the square plus 3 into 2 plus k. So 0 is equals to 4 plus 6 plus k. So 0 equals to 10 plus k. So k equals to negative 10. Next question. If the zeros of the polynomial, this are 2 and minus 3, it means that alpha is equals to 2 and beta equals to minus 3, and quadratic polynomial px is given, that is x square plus a plus 1 into x plus b, right? So alpha plus beta and alpha into beta we can find which one is alpha plus beta equals to, see, alpha plus beta is equals to 2 plus minus 3, that is minus 1, and alpha into beta is equals to uh, this one is 2 into minus 3, which is minus 6, and alpha plus beta, alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. So alpha plus beta का value is minus 1 is equals to minus a plus 1 upon 1. So minus 1 equals to minus a minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 equals to minus a. So a equal to 0. Now alpha into beta equals to c upon a, which is b upon 1. So minus 6 equals to b upon 1. So b equals to minus 6. So 0 comma minus 6 is your answer. What should be added and subtracted is not coming. Now here it is, px is given x square plus x plus 1. Okay, so we can find, and what we need to find, 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta equals to question mark. So alpha plus beta is minus b by a, which is minus 1, and alpha into beta is c by a, which is 1. Now this one is alpha into beta is LCM, so beta plus alpha. So beta plus alpha is minus 1 upon 1 is minus 1 is your answer. The number of polynomial having two zeros is only one polynomial. Alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial. Find the value of alpha plus beta. Okay, so see this one, इसको बहुत तरीके से भी आप कर सकते हो, but if you will arrange it, x square plus 0 x minus 1 equal to 0. So alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a. So alpha plus beta is equals to 0 by 1. So alpha plus beta equals to 0. Next question. Which of the following quadratic polynomial zeros are given? Okay, so alpha is equals to minus 2 by 3 and beta is equals to 2 by 3. So alpha plus beta is equals to minus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 is 0, and alpha into beta is equals to minus 2 by 3 into 2 by 3, that is minus 4 by 9. So quadratic polynomial k x square minus sum of zeros and plus product of zeros. So k x square minus sum of 0 is 0 and plus minus 4 by 9. So k 9x square minus 4 upon 9. So let k equals to 9. Therefore px equals to 9x square minus 4 is your answer. The quadratic polynomial this is represented on the graph. Then a is facing parabola opening downward intersecting x-axis. Opening downward का मतलब ये हुआ opening downward. Okay, so this one is negative integer. If 1 is the zero of the polynomial, means x का value 1 है. Okay, 0 means x का value, and px is given, that is ax square minus 3 into a minus 1 into x minus 1. So putting x is equals to 1, 0 is equals to a into 1 का square minus 3 into a minus 1 into 1 minus 1, that is a minus 3a plus 3 minus 1. So minus 2a plus 2. So 2a equals to 2. So a equals to 1. The quadratic polynomial whose zeros are this. So alpha is equals to 5 plus 2 root 3 and beta is equals to 5 minus 2 root 3. So sum of zeros equals to 5 plus 2 root 3 plus 5 minus 2 root 3 equals to 10. And product of zeros, that is 5 plus 2 root 3 into 5 minus 2 root 3, is 5 का square minus 2 root 3 का square is 25 minus 12 is equals to 13. So quadratic polynomial px is equals to k x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. So k x square minus sum of zeros is 10 x plus 13. So this one is px. Next question. If one zero is negative of other, alpha equals to minus beta, that is alpha plus beta equals to 0. So alpha plus beta is minus b by a equal to 0. Minus b by a is this, so minus minus plus 8k square minus 40k upon 4 is equals to 0. So 8k square minus 40k equals to 0. 8k square equals to 40k. एक k से एक k कटा, k का वैल्यू 8 5 जा 45 आ गया. What number should be added and subtracted is not coming. How many maximum and minimum number of zeros can a quadratic minimum number of zeros of quadratic equation or maximum number of zeros is 2. What will be the number of real zeros? Okay, so x square plus 1 equal to 0. So x square equals to 0 minus 1. So x square equals to negative 1. So x equals to under root negative 1. और इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? इसको कहते हैं imaginary number. Imaginary number. Therefore this is no real zeros. Next question is alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, then form a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are this and this. So जब ऐसा क्वेश्चन आता है, so first you need to find the zeros, means by middle term splitting. 6x square minus 7x minus 3 equal to 0. 6 3 is 18, 9 2 is 18. So 6x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So 3x is common, 2x minus 3 plus 1 is common, 2x minus 3. So 3x plus 1 and 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So 3x plus 1 equal to 0, then x equals to minus 1 by 3 and 2x minus 3 equal to 0, so x equals to 3 by 2. Now new zeros are 2 alpha and 2 beta. 2 alpha, that is 2 into 1 by 3, negative 1 by 3 is minus 2 by 3, and 2 beta is 2 into 3 by 2, which is 3. Now new sum is minus 2 by 3 plus 3, that is 3 3s are 9, 7 by 3, and new product is minus 2 by 3 into 3 is minus 2. So quadratic polynomial जो बनेगा that is a x square. So quadratic polynomial is minus sum of zeros, that is 7 by 3x और प्लस -2. सो इसको अगर मैं k इक्वल्स टू 3 ले लेता हूँ तो जो पी एक्स बनेगा वो बनेगा 3x² माइनस 7x माइनस 6. Now alpha and 1 upon alpha are the zeros of the polynomial. So find the value of k. So px is given, that is 4x square minus 17x plus k minus 4. So यहाँ पर alpha, two zeros are given, this and this. So alpha into 1 upon alpha, that is alpha into beta is equals to c upon a. अल्फ़ा इंटू बीटा इक्वल्स टू सी अपॉन ए. बीटा का वैल्यू 1/x है. सो दोनों कट गया तो 1 इक्वल्स टू सी का वैल्यू k माइनस 4/4. सो 4 इक्वल्स टू k माइनस 4. सो 4 प्लस 4 इक्वल्स टू k. सो k इक्वल्स टू 8. What will be the number of zeros in the polynomial whose graph is parallel to y-axis and x-axis? ये ग्राफ पे कह रहा है what will be the number of zeros of the infinite ग्राफ में infinite. Okay, what will be the number of zeros of the polynomial whose graph are either touching? देखो इसमें टच कर रहा है तीन को, तो इंटरसेक्टिंग एक्सिस, तो 3 zeros हो गया. और इसमें 0, 4 एंड -4, इसमें भी 3 zeros हो गया. फॉर व्हाट वैल्यू ऑफ k दिस टचेज x एक्सिस? ये ग्राफ बना करके बताना पड़ेगा. ओके, टचेज x एक्सिस. So when k touches x-axis means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So b square means minus 4 का whole square, minus 4 into a is 1 into c is k equal to 0. So 16 minus 4k equal to 0. So 16 equals to 4k. So k equals to 4. Next, the product of zeros is 4. Find the value of a. So कह रहा है alpha into beta equals to 4, right? So alpha into beta is equals to 4, which is c by a is equals to 4. That is minus 6 upon a is equals to 4. So minus 6 by 4 is equals to a. So minus 3 by 2 is equals to a. So find the sum of zeros. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So sum of zeros is equals to 6 by a. So sum of zeros is equals to 6 upon minus 3 by 2. So 6 upon minus 3 times 2, 3 2s are 6, so minus 4. Okay, if the zeros are, so let zeros are 3a and 2a. So sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equals to 5a, and product of zeros alpha into beta equals to 3 2s are 6a square. अब k हमें निकालना है k, तो सम ऑफ जीरोज अगर मैं लेकर के चलता हूँ, अल्फा प्लस बीटा इज माइनस b बाई a, विच इज k बाई 1. सम ऑफ जीरोज इज 5a इक्वल्स टू k. अब प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोज अल्फा इंटू बीटा इज इक्वल्स टू c बाई a, विच इज 6, and alpha into beta is 6a square equals to 6. So a square equals to 1. So a equals to 1. Now k is equals to 5a. so k equals to 5 times a, so k equals to 5. If one zero of the quadratic polynomial is reciprocal of the other, means alpha equals to 1 upon beta, that means alpha into beta equals to 1. So alpha into beta means c upon a equals to 1. C is 6k, a is k square plus k equals to 1. That implies k square plus k equals to 6k. So k square equals to 5k, एक k से एक k कट गया, k equals to 5. Okay, alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial such that alpha minus beta equals to 1. So this is very easy question. Alpha minus beta equals to 1 and alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a. So alpha plus beta equals to minus 5, minus minus plus 5. Okay, so write down alpha plus beta equals to 5 and eliminate कर दो, ये कट गया. 2 alpha equals to 6, so alpha equals to 3 आ गया. Okay, and alpha plus beta equals to 5, so 3 plus beta equals to 5, so beta equals to 2 आ गया. Now alpha into beta equals to c upon a, so alpha into beta means 3 into 2 equals to m upon 1, so m equals to 6 आ गया. Sum of the squares of zeros of the polynomial means alpha square plus beta square is equals to 40. It means that alpha square beta square मतलब alpha plus beta का whole square minus 2 alpha beta. क्यों ऐसा होता है? Because a plus b का whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab, और a plus b the whole square minus 2ab is equals to a square plus b square. That's why here this is equal to 40. So alpha plus beta is minus b by a, minus b by a का square minus 2 into c by a is equals to 40. So minus b by a is 8 का square minus 2 into c by a is k equals to 40. So 64 minus 2k equals to 40, minus 2k equals to 40 minus 64, minus 2k equal to minus 24, so k equals to 12. अल्फा एंड बीटा आर द जीरोज ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल. ये पॉलिनोमियल ही गलत है, इसीलिए दूसरा पे चलते हैं. अल्फा एंड बीटा आर द जीरोज ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल. Find alpha minus beta. So when alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial, that is 2x square plus 7x minus 5, so alpha plus beta is equals to minus 7 by 2 and alpha into beta equals to minus 5 by 2. Now alpha minus beta का whole square क्या होता है? Alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. So अल्फ़ा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर का वैल्यू हमारे पास है नहीं है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? पहले अल्फ़ा प्लस बीटा का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू अल्फ़ा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर प्लस 2 अल्फ़ा बीटा, एंड अल्फ़ा प्लस बीटा इज minus 7 by 2 का स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू अल्फ़ा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर प्लस 2 into minus 5 by 2. So this is 49 by 4 and 2 से 2 cancel, plus 5 equals to alpha square plus beta square. So 5 4 जा 20, that is 69 by 4 equals to alpha square plus beta square. So 69 by 4 minus 2 into alpha into beta is minus 5 by 2. So again 69 by 4 plus 5. So 5 4 जा 20, that is 89 by 4. Alpha minus beta का whole square. So alpha minus beta is equals to under root 89 by 4. So root 89 by 2. This is your answer. M and n are the zeros of the polynomial. Find m and n are the zeros of the polynomial means इनका middle term split कर दो. 3x square plus 12x minus 4 equal to 0. 3x common ले लो, x plus 4 minus 1 is common, x plus 4 equal to 0. So 3x minus 1 equal to 0 and x plus 4 equal to 0. So x equals to 1 by 3 and here x equals to minus 4. So m का वैल्यू 1 by 3 and n का वैल्यू 4. Now what we need to find out, m upon n plus n upon m, which is mn is LCM m square plus n square. So this is 1 upon 3 का square plus 4 का square upon 1 upon 3 into 4. So 1 upon 9 plus 16 upon 4 by 3. So 145 upon 9 into 3 by 4. So 3 3s are 9. That is 145 upon 12. Now क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल में अल्फा दिया हुआ है 3 प्लस रूट 5 अपॉन 5 and beta is also given 3 minus root 5 upon 5. So first find alpha plus beta, which is 3 plus root 5 plus 3 minus root 5 upon 5 equals to 6 upon 5, and alpha into beta is equals to 3 plus root 5 into 3 minus root 5 upon 25. So 9 minus 5 upon 25 equals to 4 upon 25. Now quadratic polynomial is k x square minus sum of zeros plus product of zeros. So it's k x square minus 6 upon 5 x plus 4 upon 25. So k 25x square minus 30x plus 4 upon 25. So let k equals to 25 and px is equals to 25x square minus 30x plus 4. Find the zeros of the polynomial. So zeros of the polynomial x square minus 3x minus m square minus 3, यही है ना. So zeros of the polynomial means alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Find the zeros of the polynomial. और ये m है? No, it's wrong. Obtain the zeros of the polynomial and verify their relationship. So 4 root 3 x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3 equal to 0. अब देखो 4 रूट 3 और 2 रूट 3 को मल्टीप्लाई करो तो 4 2 जा 8, 8 3 जा 24, 24 8 3 जा 24 और 8 माइनस 3 5 आ गया ना. सो दिस इज 4 रूट 3 एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 8x माइनस 3x माइनस 2 रूट 3 इक्वल टू 0. सो दिस इज 4x कॉमन ले लिया तो रूट 3x प्लस 2 माइनस रूट 3 कॉमन ले लिया तो रूट 3x प्लस 2. सो 4x माइनस रूट 3 इक्वल टू 0 and root 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So x equals to root 3 by 4 and यहाँ x equals to minus 2 by root 3. Now sum of zeros alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a, which is root 3 by 4 plus minus 2 by root 3. So this will be 3 root 3 into root 3 3 minus 8 upon 4 root 3. that is minus 5 upon 4 root 3. So b upon a आया, देखो माइनस बी बाई ए आ गया ना. So verified. Alpha into beta is equals to c by a, that is root 3 by 4 into minus 2 by root 3. ये कट गया, ये 1, ये 2, so minus 1 by 2. So in this question, product of two zeros is minus, so alpha into beta is equals to minus 56. So 8 into beta equals to minus 56, and beta is equals to minus 56 by 8, that is minus 7. Form a quadratic polynomial that alpha plus beta 8 plus minus 7 equals to 1, and alpha into beta is minus 56. So alpha into beta. Now quadratic polynomial k x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So k x square minus 1x plus minus 56, that is x square minus x minus 56. This is quadratic polynomial. Now minus 1 is one of the zeros of the polynomial, means x का वैल्यू तो minus 1 नहीं minus 5 है. So from here we will get the value of p. So px is equals to 2x square plus px minus 15. So this is 0 is equals to 2 into minus 5 का square plus p into minus 5 minus 15. So 0 is equals to 50 minus 5p minus 15. So 0 equals to 35 minus 5p. So minus 35 equals to minus 5p. So p equals to 7 आ गया. Now अब आप यहाँ पुट कर दो. p is 7x square plus x plus k. Okay, so 7x square plus 7x plus k equal to 0. Now कह रहा है कि and zeros are equal to each other, and zeros of this are equal to each other, मतलब alpha equals to beta. Find k. So when alpha equals to beta, then alpha minus beta equals to 0, and alpha plus beta is equals to minus 7 upon 7. So alpha plus beta equals to minus 1. So alpha minus beta equals to 0 and alpha plus beta equals to minus 1. So ये काट दो. 2 alpha equals to minus 1, alpha equals to minus 1 by 2. अल्फ़ा का वैल्यू minus 1 by 2 आ गया, एंड देन बीटा minus 1 by 2 plus beta equals to minus 1. So beta is equals to minus 1 plus 1 by 2. So again minus 1 by 2. Now what we need to find out? Alpha into beta is equals to c upon a. So alpha into beta is minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 equals to k upon 7. So 1 by 4 equals to k by 7. So 4k equals to 7 and k equals to 7 by 4. This is your answer. Find the value of k such that this has the sum of zeros as half of their product, means alpha plus beta is equals to alpha beta upon 2. That means 2 times alpha plus beta is equals to alpha beta. So alpha plus beta का वैल्यू माइनस बी बाई ए, दैट वन इज माइनस बी बाई ए. इसको आप अगर ठीक से लिखो तो 3x² प्लस 2k प्लस 1 इंटू एक्स माइनस के प्लस 5 इक्वल टू 0. So minus b by a is minus 2k plus 1 upon 3, and alpha into beta is equals to c by a, which is minus k plus 5 upon 3. Now put it 2 into sum is minus 2k plus 1 upon 3 is equals to minus k plus 5 upon 3. 3 3 cancel. So minus 4k plus 2 is equals to minus k minus 5. Minus 4k minus plus k equals to minus 5 minus 2. So minus 3k equals to minus 7. K equals to 7 by 3. Zeros of the polynomial are additive inverse, means alpha equals to minus beta. So alpha plus beta equals to 0. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a equal to 0. So minus b equal to 0, so b equals to 0. Alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial. So इसको मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिट करो, x² माइनस 2x प्लस x माइनस 2 इक्वल टू 0. x कॉमन लिया, x माइनस 2 प्लस 1 कॉमन लिया, x माइनस 2 इक्वल टू 0. सो x प्लस 1 इक्वल टू 0 और x माइनस 2 इक्वल टू 0. x इक्वल्स टू माइनस 1, x इक्वल्स टू 2. Okay. Now new zeros are 2 alpha plus 1, that is 2 into minus 1 plus 1. So minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, and 2 beta plus 1 is equals to 2 into 2 plus 1, that is 5. Now sum of new zeros is equals to minus 1 plus 5 equals to 4, and product of new zeros is equals to minus 1 into 5 equals to minus 5. Now quadratic polynomial 5 minutes. Quadratic polynomial is k x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. So this one is x square, sum of zeros is minus 4x minus 5. Now alpha and beta are the zeros of quadratic polynomial. Then find the value of k if alpha plus beta ka whole square. Acha. So whatever is given, alpha plus beta the whole square minus alpha beta equals to 24. So alpha plus beta is minus b by a the whole square minus c by a equals to 24. So this one is minus 5 by 2 the whole square minus k by 2 equals to 24. So 25 by 4 minus k by 2 equals to 24. Right. So this one is into 2 into 2. So 25 minus 2k upon 4 equals to 24. That is 25 minus 2k equals to 24 into 4. So minus 2k equals to 96 minus 25 minus 2k equals to, this is 1 and this is 7, minus 71. So k equals to 71 by 2. If 1 0 of the quadratic means 1 0 means x ka value, and px is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus p. So 0 2 into 3 square minus 3 into 3 plus p. So 18 minus 9 plus p. So this is 9 plus p equal to 0. So p equals to minus 9. If one find other zeros means alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a होता है. So minus 9 plus beta equals to minus 3 by 2. So minus 9 plus beta equals to 3 by 2. So beta is equals to 3 by 2 plus 9. So 9 to जा 18, 8 3 11, 21 by 2. So beta 21 by 2 हो गया. Find quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 and 3 and their sum is okay. So let zeros are 2b, 2a and 3a. So 2a plus 3a equals to 15. So 5a equals to 15. So a equals to 3. Now 2a is equals to 2 into 3 is 6. 3a is equals to 3 into 3 is equals to 9. So sum of zeros that is alpha plus beta is equals to 6 plus 9 equals to 15, and product of zeros that is alpha into beta is equals to 6 into 9 equals to 54. So quadratic polynomial is x square minus sum of zeros मतलब 15 into x plus 54. ये हमारा आंसर हो गया. So this is the end of the polynomial, and this is for your like half yearly examination. इतना करके जाओगे तो हाफ ईयरली में बिल्कुल कुछ नहीं छूटेगा. So that's like too much for your half yearly exam. So till then, okay, tata, bye bye, thank you so much.